So a Pixel 6 with A12 and all new Material U is official. Yeah, it's been a few days. The Pixel 6 series is selling like hotcakes right now. Shocking news is Google just dropped the next OS, which is the Android 12L aka 12.1. This OS is specially made for large screen devices and smartphones. So I got my hands on this new 12L and this is my experience of what I noticed, some exciting features and all. This is initial build, and again with this OS, Google mainly focuses on large screen devices like Galaxy Z Fold, tabs, rollable devices and like this. They have done some huge changes in the interface so that you guys can do multitasking, reach content and UI elements with ease. And of course, not to mention, we do have Material U in AOSP. So yes, all the dynamic colors which changes according to the wall is coming to other devices as well. Now kicking things with the lock screen, and in different orientation we have different style, like horizontal is large space and a 12L shows more content. Vertical is like a small space and it shows content like this. In the home screen there is a massive change. You long press the launcher and you can now see what we have, a quick wallpaper picker which you can enable from the launcher developer flags. And it works so good, like you can literally change the background so quick, and that too with home screen dynamic colors icon. The notification panel has got this new look, you can do multitasking with an ease. In horizontal orientation you can get notification on right, and from left you can access and manage quick settings and the content which is playing or is connected. The massive change comes in the split screen window. You can now just drag and drop an app from taskbar and it works like this. So the main focus is on how you can quickly do tasking in a large device. This is the recents, one is large tile and rest are like two in a row. Here's the settings, and again it do shows different interface and different rotation. The Material U design really helps in quick search and quick find of micro settings as well. Now I'm gonna show you some main settings, so sit back and relax. Make sure to note small changes and enjoy.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So this is all I found guys, and I think they have done an amazing job. It might not be as clean or as featureful like iPadOS, but yeah, this is the starting, and with the final release, this software is gonna add 4 stars to any tablet or folding device. Android 12L timeline and release, so some DPs and betas, and I guess the final stable release may hit in Feb. And in March-April we may see them launching the next OS, the 13th Android version. The Pixel 4 series, 5 and 6 series are officially eligible for this OS, and of course you can install it via GSI soon. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.